So good evening to all. Nifty tomorrow prediction, that is 25/03/2026. The market overview today, the current price between 22,950 to 23,000. Slight bearish bias, sell on rise structure. The possible breakout scenario either in upside or downside. The key zone to watch out tomorrow, the immediate resistance between 23,000 to 23,100. The support for tomorrow 22,700 to 22,600. The major support between 22,400 to 22,300. In case the price is breakout tomorrow gap up, the entry is only between 23,050 to 23,120. If the price is above between 23,050 to 23,120, the target for buy side, the first target is 23,250. The target number 2, 23,400. If the price is sustained above 23,400, you can expect for target 3, 23,550. But without stop loss, please don't enter. The immediate stop loss for the buy setup 22,880. The condition for tomorrow buy setup is if the momentum is strong and sustained above 23,050 and retain 23,120. In case if it is rejected from that level, the sell side option 1 is you can entry only the price below 22,980 to 23,080. If the rejection is confirmed, the target for sell side 22,700, target number 1, target number 2, 22,500. And if the rejection is confirmed and continues, you can go for 22,320. But please enter in sell side with the stop loss of 23,180. In case if it is breakdown and the price is falling down like a bloodbath, entry for sell side 22,680. The target for sell side in option number 2, 22,450, and target number 2, you can aram say go 22,300, but strict stop loss between 22,900 and 950. So the scenario for tomorrow, if it is the price open with gap up above 23,100 and it is sustained, you have to check with the 5 minutes candle. If it is sustained above 23,100, then you can strongly go for buy side. If it is the price rejects nearly 20,000, 23,000, then the range between you can expect nearly 22,600 to 23,100, almost 500 points. So this is the mainly because of panic war situation. So strictly enter with stop loss. You will save your money, unless otherwise you will be losing your investment. And if you like this, you can follow and subscribe my page. And the final view for tomorrow, sell on rise. As of now, market is panic and it is still in sell side only. Buy only after breakout. If it is the price, whatever the level is given, only after that. Avoid mid zone. The mid zone means between 11:30 to 1:30 to 2 o'clock. That time you can avoid and trade with only confirmation if the price is breakout or breakdown. So if you like this information, please follow and subscribe my YouTube page for everyday accurate levels. And these are all my experience over 10 years. and this is not exactly the levels you have to follow. And I am not a SEBI registered, so accordingly you can trade setup you can follow. Thank you.